Welcome to AI Evening News. Here are today's top stories from the world of AI. Here are today's main stories from the world of AI. Google has added file generation to the Gemini app for all users globally. From a single prompt, Gemini can now produce Microsoft Word and Excel files, Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, PDFs, plus formats like LaTeX and Markdown. Files can be downloaded directly or exported to Drive. For productivity workflows, this turns Gemini from a chat and copy tool into something closer to a document editor.
Mistral has launched Mistral 3.5 in public preview, the new default model for Mistral Vibe and Le Chat. The flagship is a dense 128 billion parameter model with a 256K context window. Alongside it, Mistral is moving coding agents off the laptop and into the cloud, where they run in parallel and notify you on completion. For developers, this turns Vibe into a remote agent platform rather than just a CLI tool.
OpenAI says its Stargate compute initiative has now passed the 10 gigawatt commitment it announced in January 2025, with more than 3 gigawatts of that capacity coming online in the last 90 days alone. The company is positioning Stargate as the long-term compute foundation for AGI and says financing structures may evolve, but capacity coming online on time is what matters. The bet here is that compute, not algorithms, is the binding constraint on AI progress for the next several years.
Hugging Face has published a major cost audit on AI evaluation, finding that running modern agent benchmarks now costs tens of thousands of dollars. The Holistic Agent Leaderboard spent about $40,000 on a single sweep across 9 models and 9 benchmarks. A single Gaia run on a frontier model can cost over $2,800 before caching. For evaluation work, that means cost, not capability, is increasingly the bottleneck. Warp has now open-sourced its Agentic development environment, including the block model that the company says now underpins agent collaboration in the same scroll stream as a developer's commands. 5 years after the original block-based terminal post, the same architecture has been extended to hold agent conversations alongside shell commands. For developer tooling teams, this is a public reference point for how an agent and a human can share one interactive surface. AWS has launched Amazon Qwen, a desktop AI assistant that works across applications, tools, and data on the user's machine. Qwen can build presentations, intelligent dashboards and reports, and connect to apps a user already uses. Alongside Qwen, AWS and OpenAI confirmed an expanded partnership. OpenAI models are coming to Amazon Bedrock, including a codex offering and managed agents in limited preview. For enterprises locked into AWS, this puts frontier OpenAI inference inside the trust boundary. That's today's AI Evening News. If you found this useful, hit subscribe so you catch tomorrow's briefing.